Hey folks, and welcome to week number 10. So we got two turn-in dates this week, Saturday and Thursday. That Saturday turn-in date, in this case, is all about your Essay 3 answers. Now, let me say that last week we were about breaking this big research question out into smaller chunks. Why do we do that? Well, we do it because we can't find an answer to the big question. We might be able to find opinions about the big question, but unless someone's already done that research, in which case we don't need to do it, unless someone's already done that research, we can't answer the big question. So we think about what smaller chunks make up that larger question and break it down. Now, what I want to start seeing is that we are answering those Essay 3 answers with good, high-quality, scholarly sources if possible. So, first things first, submit the Essay 3 answers. And we'll see that right here, okay? Then, by Thursday, March 31st, I want you to read evaluating sources from the Prairie State Library, look at the sample source evaluation, complete the source evaluation worksheet, and resubmit the Essay 3 answers. Okay? And that, obviously, we've got all here. I just want to show you the source evaluation template. This is the same template we used. Let me move this real quick. This is the same template we used last unit when we were looking at our two articles side by side. It's just we're going to turn it around here. Instead of using it to analyze articles for our paper, we're going to use it to assess the quality of the studies we're using in our papers as evidence. Okay, so we're kind of moving from outside sources as something to investigate and study to outside sources to support, to explain, to clarify, to provide answers to our questions. And, of course, in order to know that this is the right source, the best source, we need to understand the currency, the authority, what study was done here, bias, those sorts of things. Such that we can fully understand this. So what do we want to do? An MLA citation for each of the sources you're intending to use in Essay 3. In other words, each one you've used to answer one of those questions. Put the MLA citation in, and then, of course, write a few short statements about the currency, the authority, the study population, etc., etc. Now, you'll also see here that there's a sample source evaluation worksheet, so you can take a look at that as guidance. Again, this works exactly the way it did when we were working through Essay 2. It's just that we're going to do this for the sources we're using to answer our questions, rather than just for two sources that we talked about in Essay number 2. Okay? So that's what we've got this week. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I am here to help.